Hi, I'm Rob Creighton, the Interim Director of Hangar 6, a first flight venture program designed to provide efficient, high value, and nimble services to entrepreneurs so they can achieve commercialization success.
And I'm Sophie Pramana, a Hangar 6 manager and prototyping engineer.
So this summer, we're excited to announce our new and exciting workshop, Deep Tech Innovation, Design, Build, Test, and Learn. This 8-section workshop is focused on designing methodology for deep tech innovation and accelerating product development.
This will be a learning workshop where, as we plan to develop our content and perfect each session prior to launching our first annual Deep Tech Innovation Workshop in the fall of 2023.
So we're looking for a group of entrepreneurs who want to learn and grow their businesses to join us this summer as we develop and perfect this workshop alongside you as you develop and perfect your products.
We are looking forward to see you all.
Yeah, spots are limited, so make sure you register today. Thank you.